Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete currencies in the My Currency Converter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the edit button at the top of the page on the left, and then just click on this red button next to those currencies that you want to delete, and then just click on the delete button, and you can do that with basically all of them if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.